actually, guys, we're going to be doing another video of Dulles Airport plane spotting, but on the other side. Is that crazy, guys? And we have a whole UPS, I think it's a 767, all to ourselves. So look, guys, let's get on to the plane spotting. Hope you enjoy. Look, guys, we have a massive UPS, Boeing 767, I think. It's so massive. Or FedEx planes. Guys, if I could find something. Heading. Guys, I saw something. Yeah, there's a United Airlines. Amber taking off. Wait a minute, guys. It's gonna be taken off. There he goes. And also, guys, that when I did the reply to YouTubers, which commented, if you may be wondering why it said the name of another user, because I was replying through my mom's YouTube, through her YouTube. Okay, let me find something else for you. It was just another one I saw. There he is. Oh my god, guys. I'll show you. Wait, guys. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Oh my god, repeat it, please. Taking off. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh. If you're wondering, guys, what that noise was, it was me doing the rocks meme. But anyways, let's just do the plane spotting. It was like the knuckle sound. Oh. Guys, the airport view is awesome. Let me show you. Let me inspire you a little more at the FedEx 767. 777, if not. Look at her. Oh. Wait, guys, look at her. Another one's taking off here. It's a United. If you can't see, zoom up. Oh, wait, guys. Let me catch the plane. Whoa, guys, look at that. A United Embraer 140 is waiting for us to film. My mom showed it. It's taxiing onto the runway. Look at, guys. You know, I make only one video a day, but because we went to the other side, it inspired me to make another video for you guys. So I appreciate you. Because I appreciate you so much. Wait, guys, I think we just saw in Alaska 737. Oh my god, guys. Yo, we're the king. I saw a plane landing. Nah. Saw nothing. Just said, oh. That's impressive. Wow, guys. It's heading our way. Yo, guys, this is insane. Yo, guys. Oh, he landed. He's not taking off, he's landing. Guys, wow. That's United Airlines. Oh my god, there's a truck blocking us. Oh, with Air France cargo. Air France aircraft. Oh, Air France cargo. That's pretty impressive. I wonder if Air France has a cargo fleet. Yeah, it's Air France cargo. They're gonna Looks like they're gonna load it onto Air France aircraft, but let's focus on the United 737 anyways. Guys, nothing on the reverse, nothing on the left hand for right now. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There she went, taxi. Guys, I see something. What's happening here? Show you this. Saw a buggy car moving. If we find an ND11, we're gonna wait, guys, be impressed. Yo, guys, mission passed. Respect, guys. This is respect right now. What I'm showing you is respect. Yo, guys, you expecting that? Seemed like he's landed. Oh, I think that's the 737 from earlier. Oh yeah, that's him from earlier, probably. Said maybe. Or maybe not. Guys. Still nothing on the left hand, I just see a few planes, but... guys, where was it? There it is. Star Alliance, yep, it's a Star Alliance. I'm very glad to show you it from so close. So guys, because I am showing you, also there's a Beechcraft landing. Because I'm showing you the airplanes, guys, on this side, I consider you subscribing. Please subscribe. I would be happy considering you to subscribe. So subscribe, guys. If you're asking about the United 737, what he's doing, he's taxiing right over there. He's going away from us. Wait, there's gonna be a Cessna taxiing. Yo, mission respect. Mission pass respect. There's the Cessna. Wait, it's not a Cessna. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, it's a Cessna. It is a Cessna. Oh, first time we see a Cessna with a tail-mounted engine. It's actually impressive. Because when it goes down, it actually has an air duct that actually has a pipe called an air duct on the tail-mounted engine that goes down to the back. Wow. So, because you saw this impressive plane, guys, you need to subscribe because you saw this. Here he goes. It's kind of the same like a Tupolev 154. I just saw something, guys. Just on the tarmac. Outside of the Cessna. Okay, there she is. Guys, I can't find anything. Guys, one time I saw, like, I'm gonna go show you a window. I think, like, when back in the years, I think maybe last year, before last year when I was here, I peeked through a window and then I saw a model airplane statue. So I'm gonna try to show you it, if it's still there or not. Guys, let me go to show you the office that had those model airplanes inside. hopefully I'm gonna be able to peek in. Guys, said not the one. There's another one too. Gotta do this. Anyways, guys, should be the next window. I know where I'm going. It's here, closer. UPS. UPS, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Actually, guys, no. Sorry, guys. Actually, I think I found the office, but the curtains were closed. They put the curtains closed. They closed the window up with curtains, with the window curtains. They pulled the window curtains. Sorry, guys. Maybe next time. For other video, I'll try to do it on this side again. I'll do it on this side again. Try to show you the office. If you don't see the room, wait, I think I saw mine's taking off. So there he is. Alaska Airlines 737 taking off. There you go, guys. Wait, guys. Let me show you something. You need to see this. No way you're missing this. Please subscribe, guys. I'm begging you. Whoever said they need clarification, I replied to them. I gave them clarification. I gave them more details. You can see the flags here. See a beeping of a truck, maybe going backwards. Wait a minute, guys. Just saw a plane. It's like more over there. He's taking off. There's no one. Wait, guys. I'm seeing a truck pass by. Been recording for 13 minutes. There's a truck. Guys, I'm gonna show you one more thing that I've seen, then we're stopping. I recorded quite a lot. The second but final video for today. It's not a second part, it's a second video. Another video I wanted to make for you guys. Okay, this final clip I'm showing you. Maybe not. If another plane goes by, I'll show it. Okay, this is the final plane you're seeing before we stop. And more videos will come for you tomorrow. 14 minutes. Cool and stylish. Final part, guys, just letting you know again. Final part, I said that for the last time. Final part. Now I did. Say it for the last time. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. And on the note, thank you for watching the second and final video for today. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.